First thing we're gonna do is to cut the shoulder and the collar. Then we're going to make a straight line and cut it. Also, don't forget to cut the excess fabric. Next, we have to sew all the raw edges. By folding it twice, 0.2 centimeters. And then we have to sew it. And then we are going to set our sewing machine into regular stitch, and then the tension is 6 or 7 to make the shirring. So kung may katanungan pa kayo about sa pag-shear, may other video po ako na makakatulong sa inyo. Ilalagay ko na lang po siya sa description box para i-click nyo na lang yung link and then panoorin nyo yung video. After the shearing part, we're going to cut the excess fabric kasi mas mahaba siya sa akin. And then we're going to sew the raw edges. And after that, we have to connect it. So for the sleeves, we have to make a tunnel for the elastic to go through. After that, we are now going to put the elastic through the tunnel. After that, we have to connect it and then we are done.